Hello everybody, I'm doing an unboxing of something new. I'm so excited to showcase it.
What do you need, hon?
All right, so this is a new item that just came out and it's special because it's normally a hostess item and you can get it with 350 in sales and one booking for $34.95. But I have a special for you. I'm able to combine hostess and custom specials to get it for
No,
you
not
today.
that, but this.
All right? Are you ready to see it? So here it is over here. It's an unboxing. We have a lid. PDA-free lid. Here is a snapshot of it. So there is a sneak peek of what it is. If you guys know Princess House, you know this is our wildflower collection. Let's see what else it is.
How's that? Good?
Okay, you ready? OMG, look at this. It is barocircle glass, meaning it can go in the oven. So you can put hot dips and things in it. It can go in the freezer. It can go in the fridge. It has divided spots. So it's all separated. Perfect for your chips and salsa, your veggies and hummus, fruits and dips, crackers and cheese, your taco night. Taco night. Think about your lettuce, your salsas, your tomatoes, your beans, your cheeses, entertaining gatherings. Oh my goodness, so many things. This is, like I said, a hostess special, but I've combined customer and hostess rewards, and you're going to be able to get this, yes, with the lid. With the lid. It retails for $135. That's not including tax and shipping, but I can get it for you right now. 4 easy payments of $21.68. Yes, $21.68, which is $86.72, and that's including tax and shipping right now. Look at this. It is stunning. Don't you just love it? I know I do. But you have to reach out to me. Okay, this is the bundle that I put together for you guys. This is my phone number, so take a snapshot in my email. plynch196@gmail.com or 978-870-8910. Okay. And this again is our wildflower chip and dip, perfect for the spring collection. Okay, excellent. Okay, so that is amazing, amazing product for you guys, okay? Love you. Talk to you later. Remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself and have a fantastic